everybody, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you're new. I am very excited for this video today because I'm baking for the first time on this channel, and that's either gonna go amazingly and it's gonna taste so good, or it's gonna go really bad. But hopefully it goes good. So in this video, I am going to be showing you 2 different fall treats, and I tried to make them easy. I was on the search for something easy for you guys and for myself because, again, I've never baked on this channel and I don't do it often. I would like to, so hopefully this goes well. I will be making chocolate turtle apple slices. So that's kind of like the healthier option, kind of. They're still covered in chocolate. And then the other treat is peanut butter pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Guys, I love peanut butter so much. And pumpkin and chocolate chip, like, it's just Kendra and a cookie, so I'm really excited. And because I bought chocolate chips that are vegan, the cookies are a vegan recipe. The apples I just realized aren't, because there's milk in the caramels I used. I don't know, there's probably some type of caramel out there without them, but the caramel I am using has milk in it. But the cookies are vegan. So let's go, and let's go make some yummy sweets. Alright guys, so the lighting's probably gonna kind of suck in here, but we're just gonna deal with what we got. The sun is just like blaring through this tiny window here, so yeah, just a heads up. But we're going to start with the apple recipe. I don't know if I showed you before, I might have, but here's what they look like, or are supposed to look like. So hopefully mine look at least half the same, right? That's our hope when we look at recipes, that they're at least half as good looking, you know? The ingredients, let me tell you: 2 very large Fuji apples, 3.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 cup caramels melted, and chopped pecans. Not too many ingredients. Is that like 6? 5, that's 5 ingredients. The first thing to do: slice apples into 1/2 inch pieces. It's really important to have a good quality chef's knife. With a knife, make a little slit in the bottom of each apple slice to make it easier to insert a popsicle stick. And then you put the popsicle stick in the apples, which I got popsicle sticks from the Dollar Tree and they only had really colorful ones, so that's kind of fun. Maybe I'll do kind of fall colors, or like Halloween-y colors. All right, let's cut some apples. Or maybe we should wash our apples first. That'd be a good idea. Now time to cut our apples. Do we have a big knife? So we totally have one somewhere, but I can't seem to find it. So don't judge me. This is not the knife it asked for. Let's try and cut some apples. All right. I feel like this is not thick enough. What am I doing? All right, I've came to the conclusion that I can't cut apples. Like, what is this? You see how thick this is? What? No. But it's okay because I don't care, and we're gonna keep going. It doesn't matter. It's gonna still work. There's still apples. They're still edible. I can stick popsicle sticks into most of these, I think. Conclusion: apples are hard to cut. Make sure you have a good knife, because mine I don't think was the greatest. And I just suck at cutting apples like this. Guys, like, I have an apple cutter that goes over apples to cut them. No, I don't do this. Anyways, let's keep going. The next thing to do: in a medium bowl, melt chocolate chips in the microwave on a high for about 2 minutes in 30-second intervals. Don't overheat because the chocolate will burn. Then stir in the coconut oil, and we're gonna dip the apple slices in the chocolate. Really? Chocolate? Okay. In the chocolate, and place on parchment lined cookie sheet. What about just like aluminum foil? Can I do that? I'm gonna just put them on aluminum foil. Let me get a pan so we get all prepared. Aluminum foil, got it. So now I need to melt the chocolate. 3.5 cups. Wow. 1 cup. Bowl. I'm gonna say this is a cup. Wow, that's so many chocolate chips. All right, look at all that goodness. Now I'm going to heat these up in the microwave. Again, 30-second intervals so it doesn't burn, but it said 2 minutes, so that's going to be 4 30-second intervals. Let's go. First one is up. I don't think it needs stirred that much. Yeah, we'll kind of let it be. 30 more. Ooh, it's looking a little more runny. Ooh, there we go. I feel like I'm gonna have to do this longer than 2 minutes, but we'll see. Okay, pause real quick. I forgot to put the popsicle sticks in the apple slices, so let's do that real quick. Let's do some purple. Alrighty guys, there are my apples. Again, I know the lighting sucks, but you can see them. Some of these were harder than others because they were super thin. Now back to heating up our chocolate. The color on these popsicle sticks is coming off, so that means I'm gonna be eating popsicle stick color. The next part is to add the coconut oil, and this isn't like runny, I don't know. So I think I may put the coconut oil in with the chocolate and then heat it up a little more so it melts down. Hot, hot, hot. I want to know, like, why coconut oil? Why can't you just have just regular chocolate? All right, let's dip some apples in chocolate. Hopefully these don't fall off. That's what I'm really nervous for. I'm gonna use the spoon. I think that will help. Yes, there we go. Alrighty guys, so now you can actually finally see them now that, you know, the light's not awful. But I ended up putting some like on this plate over here because there was not room. So these are all the apples. None of them fell off their stick, so I am so happy. And now I think it's time for the caramel. So now we have to melt some caramels in a bowl on high for 45 to 60 seconds. Do not overheat, stir until smooth. Then we drizzle the caramel on the apples, and then we use these chopped pecans and sprinkle them on top of the apples. So I think I'm going to make 2 without the caramel drizzle on it because I want Garrett to try it. But otherwise, let's get this caramel started. Oh my gosh, I have to unwrap all of these. Oh wow. I think I need like a cup melted, but I'm just gonna measure out a cup of these. And maybe I'll add in a few more after I throw the cup in. I don't know. Oh my. I hope I didn't burn it. It looks a little crazy, but I think it's okay. All right, so now I'm gonna drizzle it over the apples. This side first. Ooh, that's fun. I'm leaving those 2 without the caramel. Those were really difficult to do because the caramel is starting to dry. But otherwise, here we go. It kind of looks messy. Ignore that. But otherwise, it looks cute. I mean, I like when the caramel's all like, blah. Okay, now the pecans. Okay, so here are they with all the pecans on them. So now I'm going to be putting them in the fridge, and then we will be back. It says to leave them in for an hour. So yeah, we'll do that. And then I will taste test them and see how they are. They're probably fine. I mean, it's just chocolate and caramel and nuts on an apple. Now, while we wait for the apples to get hard, I'm going to make the peanut butter chocolate chip pumpkin cookies. Like I said, these are vegan because I got the vegan chocolate chips, which were crazy expensive compared to the regular ones, of course. The ingredients: 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, and 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. So the first thing, preheat oven to 350. While the oven is heating, place a baking sheet for the cookies in the oven. I don't understand why I need to put something in there. Maybe it's so it doesn't take as long to cook because it's already hot. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna follow the first instruction. Well, except I do need to heat the oven up. In a standing mixer or large bowl for a hand mixer, add all ingredients except chocolate chips. Mix to combine batter until smooth, then add chips and fold into batter by hand. Add all ingredients except chips. All right, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get all my ingredients measured out and then I will be back to put them all together and we'll mix them up. Yay, the sun's not in our way now. Okay, so I measured out most of the things and then a few of these I need to still measure out, but let's put our ingredients in. All right, that is all of the ingredients, except the chocolate chips, which we'll do later. And now we gotta mix this. Let's see if I can just kind of mix it up like this. Okay, so it says mix until it's smooth, which I think we've kind of got to that point. Oh my gosh, it says fold the chips in by hand. What? I'll just fold it very carefully with the spoon here. Time for the chocolate chips. 1/4 cup, which is honestly like all that's left of this bag. I'm just gonna use this whole bag. Woo! Also, if you want these chocolate chips, these are the Nestle Simply Delicious, made with only 3 ingredients. 100% real chocolate, cocoa butter, pure cane sugar. No peanuts, tree nuts, egg, milk, wheat, soy, fish, shellfish. I don't know why there'd be fish in chocolate chips, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna fold these in, try to, gently, with this spoon here. Okay, that seems pretty mixed in, I'd say. Chocolate chips look dispersed well enough. Place 2 to 3 tablespoons full of batter onto a preheated baking sheet. So yeah, it's like preheated, but this isn't gonna be, so hopefully it's fine. And then it says bake for 12 to 15 minutes until edges are slightly brown. I think that the aluminum foil will help also speed up the process of like the cooking. So the baking, yeah, same, yeah, not same thing, I know, but it's close enough. Is this too big? Or does that look about right? I don't know. This looks huge. I think that's too big. We're gonna take some off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I made 13. It said you can make 16, I think, out of this. Oh no, it said 14. So I think that's, I mean, pretty good. Okay, hopefully these are fine. I don't know if I need to like make them into balls more so. They're kind of like logs right now. All right, we're just gonna see how it goes. Let's put it in the oven. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Okay, and this says 12 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna put 12 minutes and then we'll check on them. So I will see you in 12 minutes. Okay, let's check. I think they can go in just a little bit longer. I'm just gonna do 2 minutes. All right, let's take these out. Hopefully they aren't burnt. They're kind of thick. Oh my gosh, they're still really squishy. Now it says to let them cool for 5 minutes before removing. And then it says after 5 minutes you can remove and then cool them more. But I'm just gonna let them sit here for a little bit because they are squishy. I don't know if that's normal, and I did make them pretty thick, so hopefully they're like cooked all the way through. Oh, I guess let me show you what they look like though right now. Ta-da! This is what they're looking like. Pretty much the same as when I put them on there. I mean, they're kind of starting to look more like cookies though, so that is good. Okay, so I don't know how long they've been sitting, but I just really want to try them. Here they are. Ooh, they all just like slid forward. Okay. So they are like a little squishy. I think they probably need to like sit for a little bit longer, but I'm gonna choose one to eat. Let's go for a tiny one. This one looks cute. Okay, taste test time. I'm probably not the best person to taste test something like this. I like anything that's sweet. This could be practically the worst cookie and I'd love it. Also, I really like when cookies are doughy on the inside, and this might be. It's very, very peanut buttery, like very peanut buttery. I mean, that's like the base of it all pretty much, so I'd expect it to be very peanut butter tasting, but it's really good. Yeah, the peanut butter gets stuck in your throat, definitely, but I could taste the pumpkin now. Yum. All right, cool. I actually did it. I baked some cookies. Okay, so now let's get the apple slices. So I'm just gonna insert a little clip of them right now. This is what they look like, all done, all finished. And here is the one I'm gonna eat with a plate because I feel like this is gonna be messy, but they look really, really good. All right. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Big chunks of caramel aren't so good. Man, that one with that huge chunk of caramel is gonna be hard to eat. But the thing is, it just gets stuck in your teeth when they're like this thick. So try to stick to a little less drizzle. Don't get as crazy as I got. I just kind of did my own thing. But this is very, very good. It's a good, like, I'm trying to be healthy, but am I really being healthy? Alrighty, everybody, that is the end of my video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link the 2 recipes down in the description box. And yay for me actually baking and making those apple things and them actually turning out. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to make more food and bake more or cook. I don't know. I might in the future. I'm trying to be better at that stuff. So we'll see. Let me know if you want more of that. Also follow my social media accounts. They are at the beginning of this video in the description box below, or everything is at It's Kendra Sue. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you are right now, and I will see you in the next video. Happy fall, guys.